Hi, hi. So right now it is 8 o'clock, and the day and date is 21st March 2026, and today is Saturday. So right now, from past few days, I've been feeling jealous, and also envious to an extent of the people I've been watching online. So I've been watching influencers. I've been constantly so whenever I open YouTube, I have like shut down my recommendations. So there's nothing recommended to me. I can just watch people to whom I have been subscribed. But the thing is, I always go and I type these three or four names, and I find out about them, and I watch their shorts, and I compare myself with them. And this has been like a pattern, literally a pattern for the past 2 to 3 months, or even more than that. But from the past 2 to 3 months, I've been like recognizing, and I have recognized it, and I have caught myself doing it. And the thing is, the reason I do it, the reason I compare, is because I don't really have a vision for me. So basically, I do have vision, but I constantly keep on forgetting it. And because I don't want to forget it, I will record this video, and Samika, you see it whenever you feel like that. So the vision for me, which I have for my life, is firstly, I will study for Lokhande, for the college which I've been wanting to go to. Okay, even if it does not happen, it's fine. You still study. It will happen next year. Even if I don't know, because you do have a plan B, and that is social media. You will go on Instagram if you don't get it, and even if you get it, you will see how it things work. But if you do not, you are opening Instagram that particular same day and posting something. Okay, so that is something. So I my vision for me is I study. Okay, while studying, I also film videos, and I post it on YouTube. Okay, so that is the second thing which I want myself to do. And the third thing is I practice speaking daily, because I have this vision for myself. So maybe in the near future, I would want myself to be like a good speaker, to be somebody who could command a room, to be somebody who could just have the ability, the capability of speaking in front of a lot of people. So like that is kind of like my dream, and in order to make that thing happen, I would want myself to just speak in front of the mirror, to speak my mind out, to just be in the moment and speak. Because whenever I am around people, I don't know what it is that I'm speaking, and I want myself to be me whenever I speak. So that won't just happen in a second, right? Whenever I get, so I think I should be ready for whenever the opportunity arrives. I should just prepare myself for it, right? So the third thing which you are going to do is practice speaking. So the first thing was study, right? Study with all these ideas in your mind, that okay, these are all the plans which I have for myself. There is no like comparison or jealousy involved, because you have like a life which is only designed for you, and you are uniquely you, right? So whatever it is that will happen in your life will be unique, will be a different story, and it will not be similar to anybody around in the world. So let's just make the most of it. Let's just be excited for it. Let's just be enthusiastic for the fact that this is something which can be the reality, right? So first things first, studying, right? Second thing second is filming videos for YouTube. Third is practicing speaking, because what if we get an opportunity on a very big platform and we are not prepared? So that is not going to happen. We are going to practice it starting from now. And the fourth thing which I have for myself is I really, really, really want to live like in the moment and just experience this uncertainty which I have right now. Because right now I'm going to give my final year BCom exams. After that, I have my law entrance, Maharashtra CET MBA entrance. After that, I have one more entrance, and after that, there's this final exam which I'm going to give of which college I've been wanting to go to. So like that is how much busy I am, and my sister also might get married this year. So there is a lot of it happening, and after that, I also wanted to do an internship because I want to earn money for a flight ticket, which I have to book for my sister's bachelorette because I don't really want to be dependent on my parents for that because yeah, that is something I want. So I think there is no like room for jealousy. It's just I'm figuring my life out. I'm seeing how things are working, and if I constantly go and watch people do their shit and get the things which they have gotten after a lot of hard work, manifestation, and positive thinking, then I think I'm wrong there. It's my mistake that I'm doing it. And if you see yourself doing it, if you see if that is happening somewhere, then please, dude, shut the fucking phone and just be silent. Be in the moment. You will feel much nicer. Yesterday night I slept without watching phone just because I was tired and sleepy and I wanted to think. And while doing that I slept, and in the morning as soon as I opened my eyes I felt the calmness which I have not felt in a while, because for the past week I've been watching phone and sleeping. And whenever I woke up after that, the feeling was just not nice. It was always panic. And today it was not panic. I was grateful. I washed this board as soon as I woke up. I said thank you, and then I slept again. And then I woke up and I did all my morning chores. But you know what? If you feel like that, then keep your damn phone out. Don't watch it, okay? You don't really want to give bad vibrations to people. Neither do you want to feel bad about yourself, right? So the only thing which you could do is keep your phone aside and think about all these things. So the first thing was study, the second thing was YouTube, the third thing was speaking, the fourth thing was, what was it, was something which I said right now, and the fifth thing is what should the fifth thing be, dude? I, mm, yeah, I think I remembered the fourth thing. The fourth thing was to be in the moment and just grasp the the fun of life. Because you know what, whenever I think about my past, whenever I'm sitting idly not watching phone, I just wander around in my past and I just remember these beautiful memories which I have lived. And back then when I was living it, it was nothing special. It was like the most ordinary day I could have lived. But that was something which I could remember right now. And the reason why I could remember it right now was because I was totally in that moment back in that day. Even though it was such an ordinary day, I was feeling it. I was feeling my breath. I was feeling the boredom. And I think that is the reason it is in my memory, and it's lovely. And I think in order for this phase of life to have to like to have if you want this phase of life to be that memory, then for that you have to be present, because being present is like a beautiful thing. Writing about this chapter of your life will be a beautiful thing, and through that we come to the fifth point is write about your life as a character, as if you are a character in a movie. Write as to how are you living, how was your day, as like a script, as like a character. How beautiful would that be? Because you are giving a creative outlook to your current life, as well as you are making it interesting by writing about it and by looking it at a perspective of a movie. So you can do that. It is fun. So these are the five things as of now I could just think of these things. You could think whenever you feel like comparing, whenever you feel like your life is boring, whenever you feel like you don't really have hope, because these things are interesting. And I want you to think like this, because how fun life would be if you do this, right? So yeah, or you can also like play songs in the background and act as if you are the main character going through things in life. And you will come out of it, because obviously main characters at the end of it do achieve a lot, right? So you can do that as well. So it would be so fun. So the first thing, so I'll just recollect all of it, right? So the first thing is studies. The second thing is filming for your YouTube videos, because you don't know where it might take you some time in the future, right? So the third thing is speaking. I would really, really love it if you practice speaking. The fourth thing is um, being present in the moment. And the fifth thing, which I just said right now, is writing about your life as like a movie or as like a chapter. That would be like the most fun thing. And if you are just any random person who have stumbled across this video, you can do that as well. I don't mind. But I think I just particularly made this video for me as a reminder. So whenever I felt jealous or envious of somebody or whom I'm watching on YouTube, I could just let myself think ki this is what I want in my life. And it's great that they have whatever the particular influencer or the particular people who have achieved it. I'm glad they have it, but I don't necessarily want that, but I want this thing for me. So yeah, this through this the video is come to an end. Through this the video has come to an end. So yeah, bye.